Hello everyone. In the previous session we have discussed about the issue of debentures at par and at premium. So now in this session we'll discuss about issue of debentures at discount. So debentures at discount means when the company issues debentures at a price which is less than their face value or nominal value. For example, if a company issue 5,000 debentures of rupees 10 each at rupees 9, so here rupees 1 is discount on debentures. So discount or loss on issue of debenture is a capital loss, which means when the company issues the debentures at discount, a company faces capital loss, and it can be written off by debiting to SPR account or statement of P&L account. विच मीन्स जो भी कैपिटल लॉस कंपनी फेस करती है वो किससे राइट ऑफ होता है? वो होता है सिक्योरिटीज़ प्रीमियम रिजर्व से या स्टेटमेंट ऑफ प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस से, जहाँ पे कंपनी को प्रॉफिट हो रहा हो. सो द एंट्री फॉर दिस विल बी सिक्योरिटीज़ प्रीमियम रिजर्व अकाउंट डेबिट और स्टेटमेंट ऑफ P&L अकाउंट डेबिट टू डिस्काउंट और लॉस ऑन इशू ऑफ डिबेंचर्स. Now as we know, discount is a loss, so it is recorded in the books of the company by debiting discount on debentures account. So as we know, when the company issues the debentures at premium is a gain for the company, so that is why securities premium account is credited. But when the company issues the debentures at discount and discount is a loss, so that is why discount on debentures account is debited. And one more important thing, discount is generally recorded at the time of allotment entry. Now moving on to the practical question based on issue of debentures, and the question is, Surya Limited issued 2500 15% debentures of rupees 100 each at a discount of 10% payable as follows: rupees 25 on application, rupees 25 on allotment, and the balance on first call. Applications were received for 2000 debentures and the allotment was made. All the monies were duly received. Expenses on issue of debentures amounted to rupees 8,000. Directors decided to write off 1/5 of expense on issue account and discount on debentures account from statement of P&L each year, past necessary journal entries. Now according to the question, number of debentures issued is 2500 and the application has been received for 2000 debentures. So this is a case of undersubscription, which means all the amount will be paid on 2000 debentures. Now debentures have been issued at 10% discount, and we know that the discount is recorded at the time of allotment entry. So the first payment is to be made on application money. Now entry for application money received will be bank account debit to 15% debentures application account, and the amount will be 2000 into 25 because 2000 debentures has been received. So we will make the payment on 2000 debentures. So 25 into 2000 is 50,000. Now next, application money is transferred to the debentures account, and entry for this will be 15% debentures application account debit to 15% debentures account with the amount 50,000. Now next payment is to be made on allotment, and we know the company has issued the debentures at discount. So the entry for discount is always recorded at the time of allotment entry. Now the discount is of 10% and the company has issued the debentures at rupees 100 each. So 10% of rupees 100 is rupees 10, which means the company has issued the debentures at a discount of rupees 10. Now the allotment money is rupees 25 excluding the discount amount, which means the allotment money would have been rupees 35, out of which rupees 10 is the amount of discount. So now the entry for allotment due will be 15% debentures allotment account debit, Discount on debentures account debit, as the discount is a loss, so the entry for discount is always debited as discount on debentures account. To 15% debentures account. Now 15% debentures allotment account is debited with the amount 50,000, as the allotment money is rupees 25 and the debentures received is 2,000. So 25 into 2,000 is 50,000. Discount on debentures account is debited with the amount 20,000, as the debentures received is 2,000 and the discount amount is rupees 10. So 10 into 2,000 equals to 20,000. To 15% debentures account, it is credited with the total amount 70,000. Next is amount received on allotment. So the entry for this will be bank account debit to 15% debentures allotment account, and the amount actually received on allotment is 25 into 2000, that is 50,000. Next payment is to be made on call money. So as we know, the face value was rupees 100, out of which rupees 10 was discount amount. That means the face value is now rupees 90. So out of 90, rupees 25 was on application, rupees 25 was on allotment. That means 50 has been on application and allotment. Remaining is rupees 40, which is a balance amount of call money. So the entry for first and final call amount due will be 15% first and final call account debit to 15% debentures account, and the amount will be 2,000 into remaining amount of call money, that was rupees 40. So 40 into 2,000 will be 80,000. Next entry will be amount received on first call, that is bank account debit to 15% debentures first and final call, and the amount is 80,000. Now according to the question, expenses on issue of debentures amounted to rupees 8,000. So the entry for expenses paid on issue of debentures will be expense on issue account debit to bank account, and the amount is 8,000. Now next is directors decided to write off 1/5 of expense on issue account and discount on debentures account from statement of profit and loss each year, which means जितना भी एक्सपेंस डिबेंचर्स को इशू करने में लग रहा है प्लस जितना भी डिस्काउंट डिबेंचर्स को इशू करने में लगा है, डायरेक्टर्स डिसाइड करते हैं कि उसका 1/5 एक्सपेंस कहाँ से राइट ऑफ किया जाए, स्टेटमेंट ऑफ प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट। इस स्टेटमेंट में कुछ प्रॉफिट बचा होगा जिससे हम किसको राइट ऑफ कर रहे हैं, एक्सपेंस ऑन इशू और डिस्काउंट ऑन डिबेंचर्स अकाउंट को। So the entry for issue writing of the discount and such expenses will be statement of profit and loss account debit to discount on debentures account to expense on issue. Discount on debentures account will be credited with the amount 4,000, as the discount was rupees 20,000 and 1/5 of 20,000 is 4,000, because the director has decided to write off 1/5 of the discount. So the discount 20,000 and 1/5 of 20,000 is 4,000. Expense on issue is credited with the amount 1,600, as the expense on issue of debentures was 8,000 and 1/5 of 8,000 is 1,600, and the total is debited on statement of P&L account, that is 5,600. Now here are some questions based on the topic discussed above, which was discount on issue of debentures. So the first question is, on 15 February 2017, A Limited invited application for issue of 1,09,000 debentures of rupees 100 each at a discount of 6%, redeemable at par after 3 years. The full amount was payable on application and debentures were issued on 15 March 2017. Pass necessary journal entries for the above transaction. Second part is, R Limited issued 10,000 12% debentures of rupees 100 each at a discount of 5%. Pass necessary journal entries. And the second question is, past journal entries in the books of Sharda Limited when the company issued 5,000 7% debentures of rupees 100 each at a discount of 6%. So in this session, we have learned the issue of debentures at discount and we have discussed some practical question based on this topic. Now in the next session, we'll discuss some other topics. So that's all for today. Thank you.